I did a video about how to boost your conversion immediately by eliminating something called disconnects. And we got a ton of great feedback on that video, but there's something even worse than disconnects in your marketing. And that's how freaking damn hard it is to do business with most of you. This year, we added time every week to our leadership team meeting for brainstorming on how to make it easier to do business with us, from making our message as clear as possible, to making our sales funnels and our customer onboarding process easier, and everything else easier for our audience. And I'll prove to you just how important this is to your bottom line. Think about this. There's a lot of people who hate Amazon because, and by the way, these are not my words, I mean, these are things that you could see online. Some people hate it because the things that they sell are sometimes, let's call it, inferior quality, right? Meaning that for every great product, there's probably 229 knockoffs that have 1,003 fake 5-star reviews. And again, these are not my words. I mean, I might be exaggerating the numbers a little bit, but all in all, I still order from Amazon all the time, and I just send back products that are made poorly. But I keep ordering from them, and so do about 300 million other people. Why? Because it's super simple to order from them, and my stuff usually arrives the next day, which makes it even easier. Also, now I don't use Gmail, but I bet a lot of you do. Hell, I think that there's 333 billion emails were sent over this past year over Gmail. But if you actually go out there and read their contract, which you all signed if you use Gmail, I think it gives them the right to basically read everything in your email, store it all, track your calendar, and pretty much track everything else inside of their suite. Now, knowing that, why would you still use them? I'll tell you why. It's because it's so damn easy to send emails from them and to use their calendar and to use everything else that they create. See, you stick with companies that are easy to use. So buying from you, referring people to you, and certainly subscribing to your products has to be easy. Now, I can't put a number on this in our companies, but this is such a vital part of our mission this year that we spend time at least once a week in our team actually buying something from our company with a real credit card, like a real customer, and then reading all the emails that go out to us, like we're a customer, and clicking the links in the email, and then going to our website and trying to find products that we want. And we call our customer service team and ask them questions. And by the way, as good as we are, we find something every single week that makes the customer journey easier. And after more than 3 decades of growing companies, I think this is probably one of the most valuable things that we do. So I hope you take this to heart and you spend time doing this too, even if it's just once a month. Give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of content.